Periscope dryer vent installation. This video is intended only to supplement the written installation instructions that accompanied your product, not to replace those installation instructions. The written installation instructions should be read and available to you before you attempt to install the product. Tools needed: vent clamps, 10 snips, Phillips screwdriver, measuring tape. Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install washer-dryer. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury. Warning: fire hazard. Use a heavy metal vent. Do not use a plastic vent. Do not use a metal foil vent. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death or fire. Cut a 1-inch slit into the vent tailpipe. Place clamp over vent tailpipe. Measure the distance between the center of wall vent to the center of the dryer vent. Next, adjust the periscope to match the distance between the center of the wall vent and the center of the dryer vent. Note: if the tail end of periscope interferes with floor or wall, use 10 snips to trim for clearance. Cut at least 3 inches less than needed on the first cut to allow for adjustments. Next, place the clamp over the end of periscope. Fit end of periscope over dryer vent. Position clamp so it covers both the fitting of periscope and the dryer vent. Once properly positioned, tighten clamp. Next, move the dryer into place. Insert crimped fitting of periscope into vent tailpipe. Position clamp so it covers the slit in the vent tailpipe and the crimped fitting of periscope. Once positioned, tighten clamp.